CARDI is a CARICOM institution, and we are present right now in 14 member states. The booth today really displays the work that we are doing throughout the region, but with some emphasis on the work in Barbados. The work in Barbados covers hot peppers, cassava, sweet potato, coconuts. The coconut project, really, this is a project that is funded by the European Union, and it has been implemented by CARDI and the International Trade Center in collaboration with CARI Forum. Phase 2 was launched last year in September, and we have just started the work. Phase 2 of the coconut industry development for the Caribbean project involves addressing issues related to pests and diseases, development of our value-added products, trying to address the issue of lack of quality planting material in coconuts, and to try to increase production and productivity of coconuts. Supply of coconut water, to make sure we have sufficient quantities of coconut water for Barbados in the first instance, and then after that, once we satisfy the Barbados market, we could then move up to exporting coconut water and all that. The demand is so high that persons are starting to harvest the coconuts young. So there is not enough coconuts available to satisfy the local demand for coconut water. So much so as well, you hardly get a dry coconut to plant. That is contributing to the lack of the planting material to plant new trees. So we had to bring in 2018, Ministry, the Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security brought in 6,000 seed nuts, and that went like hotcakes. Farmers picked them up, they planted them out. So we intend to bring in some more planting material soon, maybe over the next 3-4 months. About same, we might try 6,000 again. So eventually, these trees now will start to come into production maybe 2 years, 3 years down the line. So eventually we expect that the local market will be satisfied. And then now we could start to think, in fact, all now we have to start to think about preserving or prolonging the shelf life of the coconut water so that we could start to tap into the export market. These are just different products that they could generate from the coconut. Okay. So you have the perfumes and the soaps and the oils, the handicraft items. These are products from throughout the Caribbean, not just Barbados. So what the display really trying to show is sensitize the public to the different products that they could generate from using the coconut, hoping that it stimulates some sort of entrepreneurship and investment into doing that locally as well.